So are you serious to become a real estate agent? Are you serious to start a real estate career for your life? If that's you, if you're interested in real estate and start a successful real estate business, well, this video is for you. I've been in the business for 15 years, real estate agent, broker, closing many deals. And in this video, I'm gonna give you 3 most valuable steps or tips to become a successful real estate agent and have a successful real estate career. Stay with me and let's start right now. Hello everyone, I'm John Ordonez, real estate agent, broker for around 15 years. If you're interested in real estate, tips, tricks, and all that, and also business, well, this channel is for you. Please consider subscribing, hit the red subscribe button below, let's connect. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button below as well so other people can see it. Let's stay in this video and watch it to the end. So I started my real estate career back in around 2008. I started, learning how to list properties and stuff like that. Obviously, after getting my license and all that, I started back in Costa Rica, which is the country where I learned how to do real estate and all that. Now I live in Connecticut in the United States, and obviously everything I'm gonna tell you applies to real estate basically anywhere in the world, because I have seen that real estate is quite the same in most countries in the entire planet. So there are different regulations in different countries, but obviously the real estate nature is the same. So here in the United States, obviously, you have to start your real estate career getting your real estate license. So get your real estate license and start from there. Very important. Also, in this first point, I want to tell you this: real estate business or real estate career has many options for you. You can do residential, you can do commercial, and you can also focus on rentals on commercial and rentals in residential. So there are many options. And to start, don't try to do everything at once. When you become a real estate agent, you're gonna have friends, relatives, people around you and asking you, you're gonna let them know that you have a license and that you have become a real estate agent. So they're gonna start giving you properties or referring you here and there and all that. So you have to focus and see what you wanna do. Real estate is one of the most profitable careers in the entire world, but if you do it well, you're gonna succeed. So you have to be focused. Like any other business, you have to focus yourself and say, okay, I want to do this. I want to be a residential real estate agent. I want to be a commercial real estate agent. I want to just focus on rentals. There is money in all of these options. All you gotta do is just focus on that and start learning from the real beginning. So, okay, in this point, just to summarize it, get your real estate license. Obviously, go present the test, present the test, get your real estate license and decide what you wanna do. Then after that, you're gonna start moving around towards that goal. My second tip to start a successful real estate career is find a broker to sponsor you. That is mandatory in the United States. You have to get that broker or brokerage firm to sponsor you, and so you can start your real estate career. So once you're focused on what you want to do, look for that broker that is gonna guide you, is gonna sponsor you so you can move forward with your career. And then you're gonna be learning a lot in that process. You have to hold your real estate license for a couple years and then you can go on your own. But for those 2 years, focus on learning, on practicing, working for that broker. Even if you're in another country, for example, as I said before, I started my real estate career in Costa Rica. In Costa Rica, it's not mandatory. Once you get your license, or even without license, there's a lot of people that go there and start selling real estate without a license. So, but the good thing to do, and to do it well and to be successful, get your license. After you get your license wherever you are, or go to to courses, real estate courses, to learn how the business goes, what are the procedures to sign a contract, a purchase and sales agreement, a lease agreement, and all those things. But when you have this broker sponsor you, then you're gonna be learning a lot. It's very important, that point. But then focus, as I said, on if you're gonna do commercial, if you're gonna do residential, and look for that sponsor that is focused in that area, so you can grow towards that area. So it's very important to get a good sponsor, somebody responsible, somebody that is gonna be looking at you, what you do, what are your processes, and teaching you every single step. That's very, very important. In my career, I did the same. I started with a company in Costa Rica, and they taught me how to lease properties properly. Then after that, I jumped to another company where I started selling real estate. I started selling real estate, and I was listing my properties, I was selling real estate. So I had two phases in my career to learn, the processes and all those things. It's very important. And focus. Keep your mind focused, and don't be discouraged. I made my first sale like 6 months after I got my license, after I started really working on real estate. Some people, I had agents that started working with me, and they made their first sale in 3 months, 4 months. And I know that some can probably do it in 1 month or so, but the average, I would say, goes from anywhere from like 2 to 9 months. Let's put it that way. From 2 to 9 months, you can complete your first good sale. So don't be discouraged. Keep working and learning all the time. Okay, so far we have covered 2 points. The first one is get your license and make a decision if you want to go residential, commercial, or rentals. Some people do residential and also rentals, but I really advise you, and I really recommend to decide on one of those, because if you focus on one of those, it's going to be much better and you're going to do a lot better. So my third point right here is how to list properties, and a lot of properties, or how to get more clients. Okay, so the key is this: you have to start even before you get your real estate license. Before that, you have to start communicating to people that you're gonna get your real estate license, and that you're gonna be a real estate agent. Tell your friends, tell your relatives, tell anybody that you know that you're gonna be getting the real estate license. So they start having that in their mind, and probably recommend you once you have your real estate license. That's very important. Once you have your real estate license, make sure you have brochures, make sure you have your business cards. Go give the business cards to any person. At the restaurant, when you're talking to somebody, put them in your pockets, in your wallet, whatever, and just start giving them away to anybody. And you have to have, I always recommend, you have to have your clear name and 2 contact phone numbers. Could be your office, could be your cell phone, but at least have 2. Your email, make sure you have your email well there, and then start just networking. It's very important. Offer your services. You have to talk to people. Start promoting that on your Facebook page. Start promoting that on your Instagram by yourself. Real estate career, it's self-driven. You have to put a lot of effort yourself. You have to hustle. You have to move every day. You have to wake up. You have to think positive that you're gonna be meeting new people, getting new nice listings. You're gonna be finding new buyers, and you're gonna be meeting people also. For me, it's very important to tell you this. First impression is very important. So how you dress, the people that you're trying to reach, how you dress, how you act, all those things are important from the first time. So if you are becoming a real estate agent, that's key. Communication, networking, and showing responsibility, showing that you care for other people, showing that you are professional in what you do and what you're trying to do in your life. It's very important to show professionalism. Hey, I really hope you're getting a lot of value from this video. Really, I'm putting a lot of effort here and giving you the best advices I can to start a successful real estate career. So my last tip is you have to be meticulous. Be meticulous with every client and be meticulous with every transaction or negotiation. You know, please think about this. I mean, most people out there, they're buying their first home. They are putting all their savings, buying that first property. You know, and even people investing money, maybe they save money for many years and they want to invest in one or two properties or more. You know, this is very sensitive. And if people see that you care for them, they're going to stick with you. They're going to give you more business. Be meticulous when you receive a document about a sales and purchase agreement. Read it very carefully and advise your clients. If you don't have much experience, ask your broker. You know, what advices can you give to your client and stuff like that. Be meticulous in every single thing from the beginning. Even when you are listing that little home, when you are listing that big mansion, you have to be meticulous and when you get there on time. Go and dress properly. After that, if you're taking the pictures yourself, make sure you do it the best way possible. Learn how to take good pictures if you're doing it yourself. You know, many countries, they don't pay professionals, or even here in the United States, many people don't pay professionals. So for the photos, so learn how to do it. There are a lot of free sources online where you can learn how to take good pictures from your phone, if you have a camera, whatever. Yeah, be meticulous in everything you do for that specific client from the very beginning. Clients are going to appreciate that. Hey, thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and I really hope you got a lot of value from this. Hit the subscribe button if you are not part of the channel. So I hope I can see you soon in the next video. Have a great day.